how to make money with your drone. If you've invested in a drone and want to turn it into a profitable business venture, this video is for you, so grab a seat. Today we'll explore 10 lucrative ways you can monetize your aerial photography skills and take your drone game to the next level. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe, follow button and ring the notification bell so you can never miss out on my latest tips and tutorials. We have aerial estate photography. With the booming real estate market, agents and homeowners are looking for eye-catching aerial shots to showcase properties from a unique perspective. Whether it's sprawling estates, beachfront villas, or urban penthouse, your drone can capture stunning images that can help properties stand out in listing. Next, let's talk about construction site monitoring. Construction companies rely on accurate, timely data to track progress, monitor safety, and manage resources. By providing drone-based monitoring services, you can offer construction firms high-resolution aerial imagery, 3D mapping, and progress reports that helps them streamline operations and make informed decisions. Moving on to agriculture. In precision agriculture, drones equipped with multispiral cameras can capture valuable data on crop health, soil moisture levels, and pests infestations. By offering crops monitoring and analyze services, you can help farmers optimize yields, reduce costs, and improve sustainability practice. Now let's talk about covering surveying and mapping environmental conservations, event coverage, search and rescue operations, filmmaking and videography, infrastructures inspection, and security surveillance. From surveying and mapping to environmental conservations, event coverage, and beyond, there are countless opportunities to make money with your drone. By leveraging your aerial photography skills and exploring diverse markets, you can unlock your drone's profits potentials and build successful business with your drone. That wraps up our guide to making money with your drone. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know on the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel before. Thanks for watching and happy droning.